Hi guys, so nakaligo na ako and now I'm gonna try all of the makeups that I've shown you earlier, which are this makeup and they are from YesStyle. So lahat sila is cruelty free and vegan. So ito-try ko sila right now and as you guys can see naman, meron akong dalawang red marks here because malapit na yung dalaw ko and I'm just gonna prep my skin. I'm just gonna put my sunscreen which is from Grafen. So napakita ko na siya before and maglalagay lang ako. So, it's very important to put on some sunscreen, lalo na ngayon na summer, to protect your skin sa harmful UV rays from the sun. So, ayun guys, always put on your sunscreen before going out and also kahit na nasa bahay kayo, maglagay pa rin kayo ng sunscreen. First, we're gonna try the Sika Clearing BB Cream and I'm in the shade number 23 Natural Beige. So, ang claims nila is healthy looking glow and flawless coverage and fragrance-free itong BB Cream. So, ayan, nakalagay siya here. And, ang ganda ng packaging nila, guys. Super aesthetic and minimal lang. I'm hoping na shade ko to. Kasi, wala lang. Oh my God, ang dark niya. Oh my God. I'm gonna try. Parang dark niya, pero parang hindi sa skin ko nang nilagay ko siya. So, let's see. So, I'm just gonna blend it out with my hands. And, let's see. I don't know if kita nyo, pero nag-sparkle naman siya here. Di lang siya masyadong kita sa camera, pero kita siya in person. So, sobrang pigmented nito guys and nakita nyo naman sobrang wala ng pisngi ko kanina but ayan, inayos ko na and nag-light na siya. I really like the shade nito sa face ko and it just gives yung parang fresh look na ayan. So, the last item from YesStyle that I'm gonna try is this non-sticky dazzle tint. So, ayan siya. Yung shade niya is number 1 or N1 Blink. Ayan. this necklace is from angelsfit.co, and if you want this kind of necklaces or chokers, you can check their link down below in the description box. And by the way, that's my own shop. So, ayan, check nyo siya guys kasi madami akong designs na nilabas and I really love every design that I made. So, ayan. Here is one of the chokers that I made. Thumbnail. Ulit, 1,